Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise in Premiere Pro. So firstly, open up your Premiere Pro, and as you can see I already have a clip inside my timeline. Now let me show you what the background noise is all about. So if I play this clip over here, the sound that you are hearing is the background noise of this video. Let me play it from again and just simply listen the background noise. So the very light hazy noise that you are hearing is the background noise of this particular footage. Now let me show you how you can remove this noise from your video clip. So just simply go to the effects panel over here, and if you're not seeing the effect panel over here, just simply go to Windows and enable it from there. After that, just simply search denoise. You will find that under audio effect and under noise reduction, what you have to do is just simply drag and drop onto the footage, and that will remove the background noise. So if I now click on the video and remove the denoise, you will see you can again hear the background noise in the video. So now this is without the denoise effect, and this is with the denoise effect. You can also tweak it a bit more inside the edit in the denoise option by just going inside edit, and over there you will find a slider which will allow the level of disturbance and noise. And now to adjust more, just simply click on edit, and over there you will find a slider which will basically allow you to remove more noise or decrease the level of noise video footage. So for example, if I play the footage and take the slider to 0, you will see the noise has come back. And now if I take the slider and drag it to 100, there is no noise. By taking up to 100, it might also reduce the level of sound of your audio in your video. Meaning, let me play it for you. So as you can see, it's silent. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, it has sharpened my voice a little too much and it's not pleasant to the ear. So what I would do is drag it to, let's say, 60%, and then I'll just simply play that. So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Much better. So make sure to listen closely and balance your voice and the background tone accordingly. For me, and for this clip, the 60% mark is appropriate in my opinion. So if I now play the clip, there isn't the background noise in the video. So hello guys, and the audio is also clear. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and